Hello, today's topic.
Sue.
Do you like going to the zoo? Do you like going to the zoo? Do you like going to the zoo? I want to see the lions. I want to see the lions. I want to see the lions. Can we visit the monkey exhibit? Can we visit the monkey exhibit? Can we visit the monkey exhibit? She's feeding the giraffes. She's feeding the giraffes. She's feeding the giraffes. He's watching the elephants. He's watching the elephants. He's watching the elephants. Let's take a tour of the reptile house. Let's take a tour of the reptile house. Let's take a tour of the reptile house. Are there any pandas in this zoo? Are there any pandas in this zoo? Are there any pandas in this zoo? I'm going to buy some souvenirs. I'm going to buy some souvenirs. I'm going to buy some souvenirs. She's riding the carousel. She's riding the carousel. She's riding the carousel. Do you want to attend the animal show? Do you want to attend the animal show? Do you want to attend the animal show? I'm excited to see the penguins. I'm excited to see the penguins. I'm excited to see the penguins. He's taking photos of the tigers. He's taking photos of the tigers. He's taking photos of the tigers. Let's grab some snacks at the calf. Let's grab some snacks at the calf. Let's grab some snacks at the calf. Are there any guided tours available? Are there any guided tours available? Are there any guided tours available? I want to learn about conservation efforts. I want to learn about conservation efforts. I want to learn about conservation efforts. She's petting the goats in the petting zoo. She's petting the goats in the petting zoo. She's petting the goats in the petting zoo. Do you have a map of the zoo? Do you have a map of the zoo? Do you have a map of the zoo? I'm going to visit the aquarium section. I'm going to visit the aquarium section. I'm going to visit the aquarium section. He's observing the nocturnal animals. He's observing the nocturnal animals. He's observing the nocturnal animals. Let's check out the aviary. Let's check out the aviary. Let's check out the aviary. Are there any special events today? Are there any special events today? Are there any special events today? I want to ride the train around the zoo. I want to ride the train around the zoo. I want to ride the train around the zoo. She's watching the seal feeding. She's watching the seal feeding. She's watching the seal feeding. Do you offer educational programs? Do you offer educational programs? Do you offer educational programs? I'm going to participate in the feeding sessions. I'm going to participate in the feeding sessions. I'm going to participate in the feeding sessions. He's listening to the zookeepers talk. He's listening to the zookeepers talk. He's listening to the zookeepers talk. Let's explore the insect exhibit. Let's explore the insect exhibit. Let's explore the insect exhibit. Are there any endangered species here? Are there any endangered species here? Are there any endangered species here? I'm going to buy tickets for the tram. I'm going to buy tickets for the tram. I'm going to buy tickets for the tram. She's learning about different habitats. She's learning about different habitats. She's learning about different habitats.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.